Heavy machinery relies on precision components to operate efficiently, and among these, the fuel injection pump is one of the most essential. The fuel injection pump 094000207770, also identified as part number 898167763-0, is engineered for the Isuzu 6WG1 diesel engine and is widely used in large-scale equipment such as the Hitachi ZX450LC Excavator. While it may not be the most visually impressive part on a machine, its function is critical to engine performance, efficiency, and longevity. Diesel engines, especially those in industrial applications, operate under high pressure and extreme conditions. The fuel injection pump plays a pivotal role by precisely controlling the flow of fuel into the combustion chamber. This control is crucial because even minor inconsistencies in fuel delivery can lead to inefficient combustion, increased emissions, or engine wear. The 094000207770 pump is designed to maintain consistent, high-pressure fuel delivery, ensuring that the engine performs at its optimum level under any load. Modern diesel engines like the Isuzu 6WG1 utilize common rail technology. This means the fuel is pressurized and delivered electronically at precise intervals, improving atomization and combustion efficiency. The 094000207770 is built to work seamlessly with this technology, delivering fuel accurately to support smoother operation, reduced fuel consumption, and lower emissions. This level of precision is critical in heavy equipment where power output and efficiency are directly tied to productivity on the job site. The Isuzu 6WG1 engine is a 6-cylinder turbocharged powerhouse designed for demanding industrial applications. Machines like the Hitachi ZX450LC Excavator depend on the engine for torque and lifting capacity. Without a high-quality fuel injection pump, this performance can be compromised. The 094000207770 ensures that fuel delivery remains consistent even under heavy workloads, so operators can maintain peak performance throughout long shifts. Durability is another defining feature of this pump. Heavy machinery operates in harsh environments. High temperatures, constant vibrations, dust, and dirt are part of the everyday experience. The 094000207770 is manufactured using high-quality materials and precision engineering to withstand these conditions. This durability minimizes wear, reduces maintenance requirements, and keeps machines running reliably for extended periods. Fuel efficiency is equally important. Diesel fuel represents a significant portion of operational costs in industries that rely on large machinery. By optimizing fuel delivery, the 094000207770 helps reduce consumption and operating costs. Precise injection timing and high-pressure atomization ensure that each drop of fuel contributes effectively to combustion, which improves engine efficiency and reduces emissions. Another advantage is compatibility. This pump is specifically designed for the Isuzu 6WG1 engine, making it a direct fit for the Hitachi ZX450LC and other equipment that utilize this engine. Proper compatibility is critical because mismatched components can lead to poor performance, increased wear, or even engine damage. A genuine, high-quality replacement pump like the 094000207770 ensures reliability and protects the overall integrity of the fuel system. Using inferior or non-genuine pumps can be tempting due to lower upfront costs. However, cheaper alternatives often sacrifice performance and durability, which can lead to inefficient fuel delivery, higher emissions, and costly repairs down the line. Investing in a high-quality pump ensures long-term reliability, minimizes maintenance issues, and keeps machines operating at peak efficiency. Performance is also about precision. Excavators and other heavy machinery rely on consistent power output to perform tasks such as digging, lifting, and moving heavy materials. Any inconsistency in fuel delivery can affect engine torque and responsiveness. The 094000207770 fuel injection pump guarantees accurate fuel delivery to maintain engine stability and consistent power output even during high-demand operations. Fuel